So the moral of the lesson is I said nobody's gonna be here. I was right. So there's no. I still had that bison in between my teeth and right there rolling around and the Kansas City Chiefs. I scored. No, we're at the whatever the theater is in this sea. Hopefully this is worthwhile because I'm not used to the snow. Thank you. Not only not used to the snow, because they make it sound like it's my fault, but it really isn't my fault. You know, life is short. Why do I want to be punished and slip and slide? I'm not Santa Claus. Do I look like I'm Santa Claus? Huh? Do you see the sleigh anywhere? No, there's no sleigh anywhere. Excuse me, I'm just...
And then we can fill it up again inside.
No, I want... Oh no, that's my Eldorado water.
Drink some now. You're not going to let it in.
Why do they take away my freedom? I want my damn Eldorado water. Everywhere I go, my freedom is being eaten away. Little bit at a time, and we have to resist. Because I'm an American after all. Cheers. I just suck it down. What can I do? And then when I go inside, there's unclean water.
Put the phone down.
Oh, see? Can I take off the bag with this, hand it off to the man there, please?
It needs to.
I just ate
right
it.
here.
I just drank it. But obviously, it has to be to the last drop. So let's make sure it's to the last drop. Thank you. This is what life is supposed to be pleasurable, but it is not because there's so many regulations. I'm handing out my baggie. Good thing that it's a Patriot bag. We're getting examined here. Examined, and it's free and clear. So we're free and clear. We can watch the show. Little bit of pain and before supposed to be a little bit of pleasure of life. I never get to see the blue man. Thank you. Yes. Forgive me for being a little uptight here because you know what happened to me. Yesterday got thrown out of the CU Stadium, so I cannot stand.
Water in here now or later?
I want some, preferably now than later. I'd rather, if I have a choice.
To our seats, it's a front row this way, but
it's a front row that way. Let's see. Okay, I will look for the front row that way. So let's see. There's supposed to be a show going on here. I don't know where to go, so I'm gonna wait here until we figure out where we're going. You know, I don't want to be lost, but I might have to cut this off since they the show is about to start, and I guess that's a strict guidance to be quiet on the set. Oh, where's the Blue Man? I've not seen the Blue Man, but it's an experience. Denver and the Blue Man show, whatever it is. I just got yanked out of the Tads Montana, but I had a little bit of bison. Chiefs scored, so text me if you know what the World Series score is about. Go Jarrett Cole.
I don't want you falling.
Okay, so my guide here is giving me a little bit of a nicer tea.
I give good
Uber,
service.
say hi, Uber. Don't forget to tip your Uber man. And the Uber man was nice enough to. Oh, look at this! I feel like I'm a Wookiee. I'm a Wookiee on this journey. Okay, so Wookiee. If you don't know what Wookiee is, I promise myself not to do this. The selfie holding in my own hand. So I'm so sorry, Dr. Chris, my Dr. Christopher Santino, because my shoulders were already hurt by this persistent holding of selfie cam, and that was supposed to be a no-no. I'm just going downstairs. Wow, I thought it was a Star Wars. What is this? What's it all about? Okay, see, they try to trick you now. I gotta go on these slippery slope First it was steps, and now slippery slope. Slope. I can't even say it right. It's not in my nature to use that kind of pronunciation from where I came from. We just say, 你要打不打的呀瓜？呀打瓜。Take a peek up there. Don't peek too far. Take a peek up there. I guess that's what they so-called a set. That's called a set. And I look very purple in this light for some reason. Maybe that's what the show is
Just
supposed to
be
do.
aware that you may be asked to stop filming because of the copyrights that have been set. That's typical for every musical that you're watching and taking pictures. So
You heard that
just in
restrictions,
case, you might want to
more
look
restrictions,
into it.
copyright. Like I'm gonna look like I'm a part of the Blue Man Group. Why are people putting on plastic caps? Why do I not get a plastic cap on me? Why are people putting on plastic and I don't get it?
Fluid, usually.
Ooh, there's gonna be bodily fluid. This is a radio
Enjoy
art.
the show as is.
Radio art show. We're gonna end the world's power to prevent me from being dragged out of here, right? Right, yes. Okay, bye-bye.